This is a slide of the back of the eye and the important structures. Here is a slide using the 4x objective of the back of the eye. On this we can see the retina, which has been separated from the choroid layer back here that's got the pigment layer, and this would be the sclera. We have increased magnification, and now we're looking at this slide with the 10x objective. On this magnification, we can see the retina in a little more detail from here to here. And here's the choroid layer with the pigmented layer. Here is our sclera. Now, a couple of structures I want to point out that we won't see at the 40x objective would be this little thin layer on top. You can see some right there. Those are optic nerve fibers, and then this area right underneath, which is a little darker, it's that darker pink there, those are ganglion cells. Now we're looking at this slide using the 40x objective, and we can see a lot more detail of the retina. The first thing I want to point out are the bipolar cells with their little nuclei. It's the little black spots scattered through here. Then we can see the cell bodies and nuclei of the rods and cones. And here are the rods and cones, which actually absorb the pigments to fire off nerve synapses. And this wraps up my discussion of the back of the eye.